Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you quick prime factorization. Here we go. The ones place tells there is no factor 2 or 5. Then let's make C11. Taking the sum, 1 plus 3. Then 4 plus 1 and 4 minus 1. When 3 has no factor 11, 113 has no 11. When this 5 has no 3 or 9, 113 has no 3. Then subtract 70. 30 plus 13. It has no 7. Without checking 13, it's a prime number, you can say. Once again, C11, the alternate sum, then 8 plus 1 and 8 minus 1. This 9 means the number has factor 9. Then 11 over 9 stands 1. 11 minus 9, 2 remains. This is 27 divided by 9. This is flat division. Be sure to go to video 10. Once again, without writing it. 1 plus 3. 4 plus 0 and 4 minus 0. 4 nor 3 nor 11. Then minus 70. 30 plus 3. It has no 7. It's a prime. Once again, 1 plus 3. 4 plus 4 and 4 minus 4. This 0 means factor 11. Then flat division stands 1. Subtraction, 33 over 11. How about two-digit numbers? 8 plus 3, 8 minus 3. No 11, no 3. Then minus 70. No 7. It's a prime. Once again, 8 plus 7 and 8 minus 7. It's not a prime number. Move on to the principle. As in video 30, this expression is 1123 in xnary. F of 1 and f of negative 1. 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 2. It's hinge 4 plus 3. This is what we did. According to the remainder theorem, f of 10, 1123. Also with 9 and 11. They're not the divisor of the number. Move on to the next principle. Why didn't we check 13? 113 is smaller than 13 squared. When having 13 as a factor, The other has a prime less than 13. But we already checked them. This is the prime checks principle. When the number is less than 17 squared, don't check 17. Only primes less than 17. Memorize the threshold approximately. 2-digit number or numbers less than 150. No need for 13. When getting 13 squared, team product format will help you. One sum product, like 1, 3 plus 3, 3 times 3. Once again, 1, 7 plus 7, 7 times 7. Be sure to go to video 5. Actuary expansion. Okay, let's move on to the drill. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.